Hello everyone, Seth Wilkinson from the SEALRYT Corporation, manufacturers of the Packrite bearing and high performance mechanical packing, here today for the Pump Seal channel to talk to you about technical services. Okay, so as everybody knows, we manufacture braided packing, mechanical packing, as well as the Packrite bearing. Well, I'm here to let you know now we are also offering technical services. So you've all seen my videos. Some of them are pretty easy to follow, common sense wise. Some of them get a little bit more into depth. But we also saw that there was a need in the industry when it comes to sealing for us to actually develop a more robust technical services department. So I'm the lucky one, right? So with that, we spent a lot of time assessing what the needs would be, or what we assumed the needs would be, and then feedback coming in from our salespeople, our distributors, as well as end users as to things that technical services would benefit the end user on, or quite honestly, any of our distributors, if there's anything that we do through technical services that we thought they might be able to take advantage of. So to make this quick, I don't want to sit here and bore you all to death because there's nothing flashy today. There's no tools. There's no me instructing anything. So really, this is just kind of an info session on what we are doing. So within technical services, there's several different things that we are offering. One of them is on-site servicing and installation. With the servicing, it's removal, it's assessment of the equipment, and then it's installing our sealing products or supervising the installation of sealing products that aren't ours. And from there, it's not just pulling it out, putting it back in. It's dealing with looking at the condition of the equipment to make sure that it's serviceable. Try to predict how much more life you're going to get out of your sealing system, or if we identify any problems that are actually beyond our capabilities but are something that need to be addressed by the end user. Next is education and training. Now, I'm not going to sit here and disparage anybody, but notice that there is a distinct lack of knowledge, not only of different products in the sealing world, and I'm saying that very generically. I'm not saying that specific to SEALRYT. I'm just saying that in general, in the sealing industry, there seems to be a lack of knowledge of actually what is available to mills to actually seal their applications. On top of that, how to actually properly install said sealing devices. On top of that, proper maintenance procedures. The different dynamics that are involved in sealing. There just seems to be a lack of knowledge. And again, I don't mean this to be insulting. It's just something that I've definitely noticed, and it seems to be reported back to us frequently, that some of the end users, even some of our distributors, could use some education just to be more of service, and to take our many years of sealing knowledge and try to impart that on the end user, and particularly the people that are responsible for actually maintaining the equipment and installing the sealing devices on a day-to-day basis. So that education, it's not only about how to, but really it's the theories behind it as well. Why you shouldn't do certain things, why you should do certain things. And it's all based on reliability and longevity of equipment. The other thing that we'll do is come in and do a total flush system design for any particular piece of equipment that you have in order to optimize the amount of flush water that you are going to be using. Everybody knows that flush water, seal water, whatever you want to call it, that's a commodity, and it's expensive. It's expensive to bring in, and it's expensive to push out the door through your effluent treatment plants. It's high cost, okay? So really maximizing the use is of utmost importance, and it always will be. So we can come in and design flush systems for you. Seal consulting. So when I say seal consulting, not mechanical seal necessarily, it's sealing in general. So it is mechanical packing, it is also mechanical seals. Now, we are not, when it comes to mechanical seals, we are not brand specific. We really don't mind or care what you use, what you're currently using, but we will still at least come in, take a look at what you're using. If there's a better option, let you know what it is. You go to your preferred seal vendor and take care of it from there. We're always going to try to do what's right in the sealing world, regardless whether it is our products or someone else's. Okay, ultimately we want the end user to be satisfied and to have quality sealing and reliable sealing. Precision measurement. If you've dealt with SEALRYT in the past and the PackRite bearing, understand that we machine to very close tolerances, so it's just a matter of coming in, either doing the measuring ourselves or instructing your personnel on exactly what we need for measurements in order to get one of our PackRite bearings and use that as your sealing device. We will also do pump system appraisal, just to make sure that you're using the proper size pump for the application, that the piping is correct, that the internals of the pump are correct, meaning the impeller or propeller are proper, just to make sure that you have the most efficient pumping system going that you can for any said application. And then program maintenance. It's just working with the maintenance team and reliability, just to give an idea, an overview of what the maintenance procedures on certain applications should be, just to make sure that it runs to its greatest efficiency and its greatest reliability. That's it in a nutshell. Hopefully I kept your attention. If you do have any questions, please hit us up, and we'll be happy to answer any questions and go further into depth in any one of these subjects that I've covered today. If you do have suggestions that perhaps there's a service that you would like that SEALRYT can provide, by all means, we're ears. We are constantly developing, and there will be more services offered in the future. But this is where we're going to start, and hopefully people out there listening to this find the need and give us a call. Thank you very much.